Hi, can you download apps on Redmi Watch 5 Active? So the short answer is no. Unfortunately, this watch does not support downloading additional apps directly like Spotify, YouTube Music, or Gmail. There is no Play Store, Xiaomi Store, or App Store available on the watch for app downloads. Let me just show you. I'm gonna scroll through the apps menu and you can see that there is no such app with the help of which we can install additional apps. And in Mi Fitness app, we do not have such an ability either. However, you can still make use of the pre-installed apps on the smartwatch, which are designed to enhance your experience. If you are looking to expand functionality, keep an eye out for any available updates from Xiaomi, which might bring new features or apps. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.